Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and I'm so glad that you guys are joining me today because I'm making shotgun shells. Yes, you heard me right. I said shotgun shells. Well, let me explain what they are. You take manicotti pasta tubes and you stuff them with a cheesy beef and sausage mixture, wrap them in bacon, brush barbecue sauce over them, and slow cook them in your oven. Yeah, they are so delicious, and you can make them as spicy or as mild as you want. They're perfect for a party or a cookout. Everyone will go nuts over them. And the nice thing is you can make these ahead of time and then just heat them up before you go to your cookout. So let me go over the ingredients with you, and I'm just going to go over them with you as I make them because you guys know what time it is. It's time to get cooking. So to a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1/2 pound of a spicy Italian sausage and then 1 pound of ground beef. Then I'm going to add 4 ounces or 1/2 an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I'm going to add 2 cups of Colby Jack cheese. All right, next I need to chop up a jalapeno pepper and a yellow onion. And anytime you are working with a hot pepper, the spicy part is the seeds and the ribs. All right, so I'm going to remove the ribs and the seeds like that. All right, then I'm going to chop them up finely. Then I'm going to add the pepper to my cheese and meat mixture. And I'm only going to use about half of this onion because it's a pretty large onion. All right, next I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. And I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, I'm going to put on some gloves and I'm going to give it all a good mix. All right, now I almost forgot, add 1 egg. Once you have mixed the meat and cheese and everything together really well, then this is what I like to do. I take a Ziploc bag, or you can get a piping bag for cake decorating, but I just take all the meat and put it in my bag. All right, then I'm going to seal the bag. And I'm going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut the corner off of one corner there. What I'm going to start to do is fill these pasta tubes with the meat mixture. And this just makes it easier to fill. And you want to make sure that they're packed in there. You don't want any air pockets. So you might have to take a knife or something to kind of push them down in. And this will take a little bit of time. I feel like I can see an air pocket right there. And you don't want any air pockets. Take a slice of bacon and wrap the pasta. Just like that. And then what I have here is a baking tray lined with aluminum foil, and I have a wire rack on top. You're going to place your bacon wrap tube onto your wire rack. And then take some barbecue sauce and just brush barbecue sauce all over the bacon. All right, just going to keep filling these pasta shells and wrapping them in bacon and brushing barbecue sauce on them. So I have all of my manicotti tubes stuffed, wrapped in bacon, and brushed with the barbecue sauce. Now I will tell you, it does take a little bit of time to get them all stuffed. So just be warned, don't get frustrated. Just keep filling them. All right, so now what we need to do is bake them in a 300-degree oven for 1 hour. We're gonna take them out, flip them, and bake them for another hour. So they do take a little bit of time in the oven. Check these out, guys. Shotgun shells. Oh, yeah. I know that they take a little bit of time to prep them and then to cook them, but listen, they're worth it. Yeah. Let's plate them up. I've got some additional barbecue sauce here. Okay guys, I want to cut into one of these and show you what they look like on the inside. And in case you're wondering, is that pasta done? Yes, it is al dente, so it does have a slight bite to it. And if you want your pasta softer than that, then you can parboil them beforehand. They're about 3 to 4 minutes, just a quick boil. Drain them and let them dry completely before you start to fill them. But just look at this. All right, let's cut into it. It cuts beautifully. And look at that, guys. Oh, I can't wait. So here goes. I'm gonna dip mine in a little extra barbecue sauce. Yeah. That is amazing. Simply amazing. And the edges of the pasta, they do get a little bit crunchy, but this is amazing. You could cut these into bite-sized pieces with a toothpick, and then you've got appetizers that are delicious and everyone will love them. Well, I hope that you guys give these shotgun shells a try. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.